Hi everyone, in front of me I've got UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to find wallpaper and style. Then let's tap on change wallpaper right here, and we will be transferred to the available albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We've got my photos, so obviously you will be transferred to your own gallery. You can set your own photo as a wallpaper or on device wallpapers which are pre-installed. So let me choose something from those options. After tapping on it, here you will have pre-installed wallpapers from which you can choose. So let me choose this one. Just tap on the specific wallpaper you'd like to apply, and now you can check the preview on the home screen and on the lock screen, so you can decide whether you like it or not. So after tapping and after dragging the wallpaper, you can change the, let's say, the composition. You can change the position of the wallpaper. So let me choose maybe this one, something like that. And to finish everything, tap on this tick icon in the right lower corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen or both home and lock screens. And I will choose this option, so let me tap on it. And now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.